stuff.
Yay, baseball. Let's go, baseball. Yay, baseball.
Woo, baseball! Yay!
I love baseball.
The fungi versus stuck in the washing machine. Oh boy, see how this goes.
Yeah, we're not gonna bother getting them out until we're sure that they can lose a game.
True. Ball one, Toadsworth's pitching. Alright, Toadette should get there.
Yay, Toadette,
Yep.
let's go.
Good job, Toadette. Oh boy, Pianta time.
You have the dime.
2 strikes. Toadworth being extra careful because he knows the power of Piantas. And it is very scary. Nice, good strikeout.
Nice. Good strikeout, Toadsworth. That's the goat.
Alright. Red Noki, oh boy.
Oh, Daisy's got it.
Peach.
Easy throw.
Peach got that.
I think that's like the second scoreless inning for the washing machines
Yeah.
in 4 games.
Yeah. See what the fungi can get. Ooh, they're not the vacuums today.
Nope, they are back to being the Monarchs because Peach was doing so many Star Swings last time. I think they realized it was important to give them a discount.
That's fair. Let's see if Peach does one here.
No, she doesn't
Nope.
because there isn't a runner on first and second. She has decided not to.
Yeah. 1-1.
2-1.
2-1. See it.
3-1.
Could walk. Archo's gonna swing at this one.
She's gonna walk!
No. A walk. There you go.
Dixie wanted none of that. Nothing from
2 on. Yeah. 2 on for
2 on for the
Toadsworth.
Toadsworth. Ooh, amazing
bases
line drive
loaded.
from Toadsworth.
Bases loaded for the Toad.
Blue Toad.
Blue Toad. Ball one. Please walk.
Nope.
Two.
Are we gonna see a
2.
loaded count on Blue
Oh.
Toad?
What will he do?
Ball
That's a walk,
four!
and that's a run from a walk.
The kind of treatment you normally reserve for Barry Bonds
And-
being handed out to Blue Toad here.
Unfortunately, Yellow Toad grounded into the grounded Star Swing. Oh boy. Here comes Fire Bro. Currently I would say, probably the MVP favorite on the season.
Mario's been having himself an incredibly hot season, though. It's really hard to say.
Ooh, but a strikeout on Fire Bro.
Toadsworth locking
I mean,
the fuck in.
I get the part where Mario's having a pretty good season, but Fire Bro has like, how many home runs?
5, I think. I don't know.
Yeah, that's...
Our stats nerd isn't here today.
I guess I can, Phil says 5, I believe it.
We trust Phil.
Let me pull up, I can pull up the stat list on my second monitor, and that's a quick inning for the Stuck in the Washing Machine.
Are we
Fire Bro has, 5 home runs, 14 RBI.
I am very sure this is on Powerful, Stuck.
Good hit from Magenta Mav, a single. Yeah, 13 for 18 on hits. That's really good.
perfect for whatever that was worth.
1-1.
Wait, yeah, you're right, Fungi. I didn't hit start on the washing machine. I just kind of put the load in. I put the detergent in. I didn't hit the button. Fuck, that's my fault.
That's caught. Fortunately, a pop fly to center for Yoshi, who gets there easily. Comes Luigi. Good hit up the center. That should be a single for each. Alright.
Very likely to see
Daisy.
a Daisy Star Swing here.
Come on the bases, might as well. Yep. Will
that
it
is going to
work?
get down easily.
It will. That's another run for the Fungi. And Luigi's trying to go for it. I think that's caught though. Yeah.
Yeah, he got a bit too
Greedy.
far. Greed.
A little too greedy. Yep. It happens.
It happens.
Alright, let's see what the play is here.
Would maybe like to see another Peach Star Swing here if it goes well, but
Yeah.
the odds aren't great on that. You can't get a sack fly off it. Yeah.
2-2. That should be a strike, yep. Peach, end the inning.
Peach still looking for more hits than RBIs this season. It
2 balls for Toadsworth immediately.
it's something we might have to accept that we you know, seeing possibly more RBIs than at bats is something that's like not super crazy sometimes in these games.
Yeah.
But with Peach, if that were to happen at this point, it would be because she's managed to hit a truly unreal amount of sack flies.
1-1. There. Alright, two on. It's up to Yoshi. 0 out still.
Oh, moonball
That should
by
be
Yoshi.
caught. Yeah.
Of course, that happens right as Stuk says good in the chat.
Yep. And that we'll get past that. Might bring one home. Nope. Pharaoh's gonna stop, which is fair. Now it is Red Pianta, bases loaded.
With no chem.
No chem at all, yep.
Oh, just gonna tank
good
out
star
a
swing.
off the wall. That's gonna score at least 2.
Tie game.
Ooh, quick throw. If there was a toad at
That's
home,
a nice.
if there was a toad at home, I think that quick throw gets an out.
Yeah, I don't know. You want them in the outside where they're faster, it's fine. Red Noki, 1 chem. See what she does. Lets the first 2 go by.
Oh, does not let that one go, but it's gonna get
Alright.
caught either way.
And Mario started running before the ball was caught, so he had to go back. Fire Bro, 2 on, no chem. What will he do?
Ooh, right by
Get a
Peach.
single, that's to bring one home. Oh, it might bring it. Yeah, I'll bring one home.
Making up for the fact that he got struck out on his first at-bat of the game. Finally helping the washing machine get some points on the board here.
And Red Mad brings in another. 4-2.
Green Para. The Paras have been on fire here these last few games.
True.
Ooh.
2 strikes for Green Para.
That's going down the middle. Strikeout.
That's-
Ooh.
Ends the inning. Holds him to 4, which is honestly pretty good compared, like as we've seen from the washing machine.
Three pitches, he's out. Just like Timothy Chalamet.
That should get caught with tongue catch, or don't just get there anyways. All right, Toadsworth.
Swings way too late at that
Strike 1.
changeup. Perfect.
Does get past. Gets past RP. So now we're on to Blue Toad.
Oh, and that's gonna
Good
get
hit.
down
That should get
easily.
down. That might bring Toadsworth. Nope, he's just going to third. He should stop at third.
Ooh, yep. Laser beam to check him at the door.
Yep. Yellow Toad. 2 chem on.
Oh, he wants it.
Shark.
Ooh.
2 strikes. What will he do?
Oh, Star
That's-
Swing straight to Red Barrow. One last
Unfortunate
Toad.
star swing from the Toads.
How? We're gonna need to check.
Strikes.
We're gonna need to check Kamek's glasses on that one. Oh, big
That
pop
should
fly
be.
out. Oh, the bubble!
Oh, but he bob. Oh, but he. But he
but he
bobbled
got
it to
it
himself. All right, time for the washing machine again.
I was thinking maybe he'd get bobbled and get hit by the fireball, but no, I just think the positioning was wrong there. Oh, Blue Toad!
Good hustle from Blue Toad to get that. One.
Oh, amazing hit by
Fair ball.
Dixie.
Should be 2. Unless you wanted to try for 3, but that wouldn't have gone well.
No, I think she sees the quick throw and knows better.
If Peach had hops, it would be very interesting.
And it would.
Alas, she does not. Toad, will he get there?
Hanks to
If
the
he had dived,
wall.
he would have. They dive in the outfield, but they're just not.
It's something weird about the walls, I think, really. They don't always dive,
I believe it.
obviously, but I think if they think it's gonna hit the wall really soon, they just stop and give up. Oh! Amazing
Good double play ends the
play.
inning. Hold him to 1. Red Koopa on offense. Let's see it. Strike 1.
Oh, that's easily gonna
High.
get for a base
That's
hit.
it. Yeah. Might be a double. Yep.
Oh, no.
Oh no, he stopped. Ooh, yeah, he would have been caught right there.
Yeah.
Good move from Koopa.
Realizes he does not have the wheels. Oh.
Crap from Luigi, but I mean, whatever. He doesn't get, doesn't get 2 outs at least. Would have been worse.
Oh.
Off the wall, I don't think Noki gets that.
Oh, it's off
Yep.
the wall.
Oh, but Luigi didn't run, so Daisy had to stop. She was gonna go for 2.
Oh no, this means we're gonna see a Peach Star Swing most likely.
That's what you want from the Fungi. It's pretty good, right?
Not really.
For the scene.
It's incredibly hit
Oh,
or
never mind.
miss. Oh, thank God.
No, it's just a hit. Bases loaded. I don't think. Yep, Luigi's not going home. Bases loaded for
Toadette.
Toadette. That's right to RP, but everyone gets back, so it's up to Toadsworth now.
We've seen Toadsworth hit some dingers in spring training, but he doesn't need to hit one here. He's just gonna get on.
Yeah, there's 1 run. All right, now it's the Toad Brigade. Sub 2. Who's up first? Blue? Yep, Blue Toad.
Ooh, right down the middle. That's gonna be
down.
good. Oh,
Peach
but
is going for
Peach.
2 though.
Oh,
and
she
she
gets
makes
there!
it. That's tie game.
Oh, super throw slow from Yoshi in the middle infield to go to repeat.
That was close.
That was close, and we're tied up. with 2-chem
2-chem.
on for Yellow Toad.
Let's the first one go. Fair, fair. That one, I don't know about that one. That one, yeah, I don't think the second one should have been counted as a strike. That's just me.
Yeah, I think Kamek is. I think Kamek is really giving it to Dixie Kong today. I don't know.
Isn't it Lakitu?
You're right.
Because Kamek's playing, yeah.
No, you're right. Look, I've had a long day. Kamek, Lakitu, they both got glasses. They both got to check their fucking glasses.
Yeah, fair enough. Fire bro up. Well, that Swamp might have a... Nope, that's just gone. Fire bro continuing the push for his MVP caliber season. That's a... Oh, it hit the top of the Swamp.
Hit the top so it didn't drop. Fungi, if it was an error in the stat sheets, it's an error in the game too. You look at him, and it shows low trash.
That should be another out, yep. Green Para up, what will he do? Strike one. High to center, might be off the wall or Toadette got it. It might be Toadette. Yep. Oh, Blue Toad just got...
You okay there, buddy?
Blue Toad is dead.
Blue Toad is on fire.
He wants it all. He wants to hit one.
Ooh, no star.
He saw Fire Bro do it, now he wants it, but he lets one get past him. Can't do it. I don't think these are hittable. They're just in the, like, bare corner of the base.
She is painting those corners.
Yeah.
Good pop there.
Yeah. One on.
Ooh.
Luigi for a bunt.
This could work out really good for Luigi.
Yeah. Ball one. He's just gonna keep bunting. Is that fair?
Ooh,
no, I didn't
barely
think so.
Goes foul. He still wants it. He's gonna get it too.
That one goes a little too far.
Kamek
That's safe, and they both.
That was just a good bunt. That wasn't even like
successful bunt. Yeah.
Yeah, that wasn't even like they fucked it up.
Oh, and Daisy wants one too. Ooh, or faking it, because that one could have been a bunt. What's gonna happen?
Oh, they actually
Daisy
gets
out.
What the fuck?
Yeah, Luigi and Red Toad or Red Koopa were too fast. It's up to Peach now. Keep the inning alive. Score maybe.
You really don't want to see a star swing here, but it's Peach.
1-1. Yeah, you might.
She does it every time.
Good slap, and that's two runs. That the Fungi take the lead. Wow.
This is really making it a lot harder for her to get more hits than RBIs. No, Fungi, I don't think she's ever had more hits than RBIs. She's maybe got even, but I don't think she has. She was even?
Peach has... Yeah, she had... yeah. 4 hits, 4 RBI. Yeah. Now she got 2... Yeah. She has every hit, though, right? She's hit every single time?
No, she struck out.
Oh, okay. She is doing pretty well, though, for her stats now. It's getting better for her.
Crazy bad timing there from Dixie.
1-1 count. Good dive from Mav to save that.
Good pop
Gets
there
down.
from Yoshi.
And the Brewers lost again. Mario, good hit.
Good hit by Mario. Stuck said two out rallies are infuriating, and now he's getting one of his own.
Yeah, it's his time. Who is it? Red Pianta, no chem. See what he does.
Oh, massive star hit. Tank to the wall. Off of it. That's going to at least score one.
Tie game. Yep. Tie game in the 6th. Who's up next? Is it Red Noki?
Red Noki into, I believe, Fire Bro.
Yeah, yeah, that sounds about right. I think it's 1 chem for Noki, because it's on. Yep. If Noki can get on, this is what the washing machine need.
That's a really good pop.
Yeah. Fire Bro on. 2 out rally. Like we just said, Stuck complained. Yeah, it's been working. It's working for him now.
Yeah. Toadette might be as fast as Yoshi, but she doesn't have his stupid fucking tongue catch.
Fire Bro, high, up center, off. I think that's off the wall. Oh yeah, it's gone. Never mind. It's way too high.
Just like that, the vibes change instantly.
Yeah, it was a really close game, and now it's like, it's still within a score technically, because Grand Slam. But
this is still absolutely going to be fine for the Fungi to make back up here. It's just like, you know,
that should be
the vibes
off
are
the wall.
different. The vibes are different for Stud.
True. Two strikes for Green Para.
Ooh, Toad misses the
Get
dive.
fast nav. The rally continues, and here comes Red Para. Strike 1.
Right to Daisy.
Right to Daisy. Yep. All right, bottom of the 7th or 6th. Time for the Monarch's got to answer here. The Fungi.
Heading to the Toads.
Yeah. Right to Red Pianta. Here comes Blue Toad.
Oh, Blue Toad
High,
to the ball.
but that's Noki's getting
Yeah,
there.
that's getting caught.
Yeah. Alright, 2 out rally. This is where it can happen.
Oh, very
yeah,
good hit.
Alright, next Toad.
Take to the
High
middle.
up
That's
center.
at least off the wall, but I think that's a home run.
Ooh! Good home run from Magenta Mav.
And the base is clear at 2 outs, bringing this back to a 2-run gap.
Yeah, cuts the lead in half.
Wow. What a moonball.
Yep. Alright, let's see it. Red Koopa, will it continue? Ball 1.
Absolutely
That
not
should
unless
be
it's
caught.
bobbles.
Yep. Alright. Currently, 2-run deficit going into the 7th. See if the fire or the washing machine. See if the washing machine could extend their lead, and that's not the start you want.
Back at the top of the lineup now, though. Oh, that is going to be a very easy catch for Toad. She bobbles it right to Blue Toad.
But that's why chem kind of matters in the outfield, because they chem to each other. Bobbles go to each other, just in case. Strike 1.
Ooh.
2 strikes.
1 strike away. It's going to go to the quarter. 2-2 count. Alright, this is going to be a hit or a strike out. The inning is over.
There we go.
They're
The Fungi, all they need 2 to
top
tie to
of
continue
the
it, 3 to
lineup.
win. Strike 1.
The first, regardless of how this ends, the first game by the washing machine that isn't going to end with a double-digit lead.
True.
That's a basic for Luigi.
Who comes that? Hey, we got Daisy. It's unfortunate you got Peach at the 3 spot because she could just end up with try doing a star swing. But you want Daisy to get on, and you can't get past Beyonce sometimes. Alright.
On the back of the captain, right down the middle, that's going to be a base hit.
2 on for Toadette now.
For Toadette.
Bunt! Ooh, that should be Toadette out. Oh, that might end it? No, Toadette gets there. Whew. It's up to Toadsworth.
It advances Luigi to scoring position.
Strike 1.
Strike 2.
Strike 2.
Strike or hit, this will be the game. Star hit, that's a line drive out.
That's
Base
one
hit for
run game.
Toadsworth.
1 run game, and you got the Toad Brigade. 2 out rally.
Blue Toad to save
trying
the
to-
game. 2 balls.
wants
He's been
it.
walked already once today.
Charging high, off the wall maybe, or is it a home run?
That's a comeback
And
walk off
Fun guy
over.
win. The Fun guy beat the washing machine. No way. Wow. So far, the upset of the season, the undefeated washing machine with a current plus 55 run diff are now down to a, what is it?
This,
Plus 52, 53.
Stuck, is this a combination of of everyone praying on the top seed's downfall? Possibly.
Yes.
Is it the result of, is it the result of perhaps a spirit bomb that we channeled into Blue Toad? Perhaps.
Perhaps. Hands to the sky. Stuck, if you have a plus
Stuck, I'm pretty
55 run diff after 3, no offense. That's how it's gonna go.
Stuck, we want to succeed. We need you to
Yeah.
look. We need you to look mortal, so that means we have a chance. If we have no hope of beating you, what's the goddamn point?
Make sure, yeah, you saw everyone's bad. Yep,
Yeah.
okay. Just making sure.
Peach?
Ooh,
600.
Toadette.
Yeah, Toadette.
Yeesh.
600 batting average for Peach, though. I think that's her best
Yeah.
performance of the season. I could
Yeah,
be
you
wrong.
take that.
Toadsworth, 800.
Yeah. Not bad from the Fungi offense as well. What a game. It was back and forth the entire time.
It was?
If you want the most interesting game against Stuck, go to the castle. Even though it's definitely getting banned from now on, so it doesn't matter.
Alright.